Gikwestyon sab ni Senador Alan Peter Cayetano si NBI-BARMM Regional Director Jeremy Lotoc kung aduna ba'y hustong koordinasyon sama sa CIDG o Presidential Security Command sa pagpanghulga ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Matod pa ni Lotoc nga wala kininasayod kung nakig-istorya ba sila sa NBI Director. At ang maminaw ng mga tigog ni Attorney Lotoc o Senador Alan Peter Cayetano.
Ang makakasagot po niyan yung director kasi hindi ko alam kung may usapan po sila. Meron po kasi kaming tinatawag na need to know basis. Ang focus lang po namin as...
The problem with your answers, witness, is that kung yan ang sagot mo parati, hindi mo inimbestigahan ng husto.
Hindi ho.
Because you didn't get the information from your intelligence. You did not get your information from the task force. You did not get your information from the Presidential Security Group. Did you talk to the CIDG?
Your Honor,
May you answer first? Did you talk to the CIDG?
No, Your Honor.
No.
Magpadayon ang pag-cross-examine kang Attorney Lotoc karong adlaw July 14 ug laumang musunod nga isa lang nga testigo mao si Attorney Zulaika Lopez, ang Chief of Staff sa Office of the Vice President.